Are you gonna open? You're all muddy. Are you playing in the mud? Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own gravity water system out of your current Sawyer system. Gravity water filtration systems exist. They seem super cool. The one big problem that I have with them is that they are expensive. Obviously, one workaround that a lot of people use is to take their Sawyer system and put it directly on top of their water bottle and fill this up with dirty water. I've never been a huge fan of doing that. All right, to get started, obviously you're gonna be needing your Sawyer bags, the regular squeeze bags. I use 32-ounce bags. You're gonna need your Sawyer Squeeze, whatever cap that is on top of yours, you can just go ahead and take that off. You're not gonna need it. You're also gonna need some cord. I use 550 cord. You can probably use whatever you have. I find this to be the easiest because most people have a ton of it laying around somewhere. You'll need a lighter. You'll need something to cut the holes in your Sawyer bag. I have a 3-hole punch that I'm gonna try and hope I don't break it. Last and definitely not least, this is actually the most important part, you're gonna need the Sawyer coupling link. This is probably the only thing that most people don't have. You can get it on Amazon. It's like $2 to $3. It's also advertised as like the backwash coupler. First thing we're gonna need to do is cut holes in our bag. So if you notice on your Sawyer bags, they are not all the way into the edges, they are rounded. And then if you really look close on there, you can see a little outline, a little circle outline there. That's where you're gonna be punching through. I really wanna see if this works, putting this in my hole punch. Please don't break, hole puncher. Okay, ready? All right, it worked actually. Look at that. I am very happy that that actually worked on this one. Yeah, the last one I actually ended up just taking some nails and hammering them through. All right, next you're gonna need to cut some cord. Let's go ahead, feed in through one way and out the other. How much cord you want is up to you. On the original, I put just a tiny little bit on there and it's been fine. Enough that you can get it around a branch. Once you get that, then you're gonna go ahead and tie this into a knot. You want it to be pretty close to the end there. Take the lighter and re-burn it. Let it burn, let it burn, let it burn, let it burn. Get it, and then push down your pliers or something else that's made of metal. It's all pressed on there and that is not coming undone anymore. So you got your first one done. You should have at least another inch through on the other side so that you have enough to tie it off. There, and then cut it. Tie another knot. Burn the end. And pushing it down flat against there. But in the end, it should look something like this. And boom, you have your hanging bag. That was probably the hardest step of this whole thing. The next step is pretty easy. The coupling link attaches to the clean end of your Sawyer. You're gonna have to use something that can couple to this joint. So if you're using an Nalgene bottle, this is not gonna work. That in there. All right, I need to go get some water. Now is the fun part. We've got it all attached. One would think that you can just flip this upside down and walk away, right? Almost. There's one other step you gotta do to make it work. So let me just show you on here. So it's gonna start running, let it go, and then, oh no, the water's slowing down. What's happening? Essentially, we've got a vacuum going on here. Air can't go back up through it. There's nowhere for the air to go. If you don't create a complete seal on it, the water will flow through on its own without needing to squeeze the bottle because the air can now escape. So you don't want this to be on all the way. You need to have it just off to the side. You'll hear the, yeah, if you squeeze your bottle, you should be able to hear air coming in and out of there. Then you go and you just hang this up. Making food, whatever it is, and your water is over there just filtering itself. All right, yeah, so the key on that is to make sure that it is not tightened down all the way. That is all I have for you. I just wanted to make a quick little video. I see people posting online about how they would like a more efficient water filtration system, but don't want to spend the money, like myself, on a gravity bag system, when in reality, almost everybody has a gravity bag system waiting to be used already. All you need to do is get this coupling link and some cord that you probably already have lying around somewhere. I am putting a link down in the description for this coupling link so that you can quickly find it. If you make this, let me know how it goes for you. Happy camping, happy filtering. Don't forget to reapply your sunscreen. Bye.